हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल स्कूल होमवर्क हेल्पर। तो आज हम करेंगे स्टैंडर्ड 7 साइंस सेमेस्टर 2 चैप्टर नंबर 11 ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इन एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 MCQ। Which components of the blood contains hemoglobin? A. White blood cell. B. Blood platelets. C. Blood plasma. D. Red blood cell. Answer is red blood cell. Number 2. In which chamber of the heart does carbon dioxide rich impure blood from different of body parts enter? A. Right ventricle. B. Right atrium. C. Left ventricle. D. Left atrium. So answer is B. Right atrium. Number 3. In which chambers of heart have always oxygenated purified blood? A. In right atrium and right ventricle. B. In both the atria. C. In left atrium and left ventricle. D. In both the ventricle. So answer is C. In left atrium and left ventricle. Number 4. From which chamber of heart is blood pumped into lungs? Answer option A. Right ventricle. B. Left ventricle. C. Right atrium. D. Left atrium. So answer is A. Right ventricle. Number 5. Which chamber of the heart receives oxygenated blood first? A. Right atrium. B. Right ventricle. C. Left ventricle. D. Left atrium. So answer is C. Left ventricle. Number 6. In which animals is circulatory system absent? A. Bird and amphibians. B. Human and fish. C. Sponge and hydra. D. Cockroach and earthworm. So answer is C. Sponge and hydra. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash present in vein allowed blood to flow only towards the heart. Answer is valves. Number 2. The blood vessels dash carries oxygen rich blood from the lungs to the heart. Answer is pulmonary vein. Number 3. The upper two chambers of heart are called dash atria. Number 4. Blood is transported to dash by pulmonary artery. Answer is lungs. Number 5. Doctors can get clues about the condition of our heart by listening heartbeat through a dash stethoscope. Dash is an important organ of human excretory system. Kidney. Ureter is tube-like structure contains dash and dash kidney and urinary bladder. Number 8. Hemoglobin are present in blood cell, namely dash. Answer is red blood cell. Number 9. Arteries and vein are joined by a network for dash capillaries. Number 10. The rhythmic expansion and constricting on the heart is called dash heartbeat. Number 11. Dash is the main waste excretory product in human urine. Ura. Number 12. Kidneys climate the waste material in the liquid form called dash urine. Number 13. What reaches great height in the trees because of suction pull caused by dash. So answer is transpiration. Question number 3. Answer the following question in one word. Number 1. Which blood vessel carries carbon dioxide rich blood from heart to the lungs? Answer pulmonary artery. Number 2. Which type of blood does pulmonary vein carry? Answer is oxygen blood vein. Number 3. What are two lower chambers of heart called? Answer is atria. Number 4. What is the fluid part of the blood called? Answer is plasma. Number 5. In which organ does the process of filtration of blood occur? Answer is kidney. Number 6. Where is the urine released from kidneys stored? Answer is urinary bladder. Number 7. Which vascular tissue is for the transport of water and nutrients in the plant? Answer is xylem. Question number 4. True or false? Number 1. Due to the presence of hemoglobin, the blood clots at any injured part of the body. Wrong. Number 2. The rate of heartbeats and pulse rate are equal. Right. Number 3. The flow of blood in artery is slow and continuous. Wrong. Number 4. There are valves present in arteries but absent in vein. Wrong. Number 5. RBCs are red in color and WBCs are white in color. Right. Number 6. Ventricles are larger in size and compared to atria. Right. The wall of ventricles are thicker than the wall of atria. Right. Number 8. The wall of chambers of the heart are made of muscles. Right. Number 9. Pulmonary artery carries oxygen-rich blood. Wrong. Number 10. Carbon dioxide is removed as an excretory product through the lungs during exhalation. Wrong. Question number 5. Answer the following question in one sentence. Number 1. What is the function of hemoglobin in blood? Answer. Hemoglobin in blood combines with oxygen and transports it to all the parts of the body and ultimately to all the cells. Number 2. What is the function of white blood cells present in the blood? Answer. The white blood cells fight against germs that may enter our body. Number 3. State the types of blood vessels. Answer. The type of blood vessels: artery, vein, capillaries. Number 4. What is called an artery? Answer. The blood vessel that carries blood from heart to all parts of the body is called an artery. Number 5. What is called vein? The blood vessel that carries blood from all parts of the body to the heart is called a vein. Number 6. Why do the arteries have thick and elastic walls? The arteries have thick elastic walls because the blood flow through them is rapid and at a high pressure. Number 7. What is the pulse rate? Answer. The pulse rate is the number of throbbing, beating of pulse in 1 minute. Number 8. State the pulse rate in human in resting condition. Answer. In resting condition, the pulse rate in humans is about 72 to 80. Number 9. From where to where does the blood flow in pulmonary vein? Answer. In pulmonary vein, blood flow from lungs to the left atrium of heart. Number 10. State the size of human heart. Answer. The size of human heart is roughly the size of one's feet. Number 11. Which part of the heart has oxygenated rich blood and which part has carbon dioxide rich blood? Answer. The left part, left atrium and left ventriculum has oxygen-rich blood, and the right part, right atrium and right ventricle has carbon dioxide-rich blood. Number 12. What are capillaries? Answer. Near the tissues, arteries divided into extremely thin tubes called capillaries. 30 number. Mention the organs of human excretory system. Answer. The organ of human excretory system are kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Number 14. What are the components of blood? Name them. Answer. Plasma, red blood cell, white blood cell, platelet. Number 15. What makes the blood look red? Answer. Red blood cells make the blood look red. Question number 6. Define. Number 1. Excretion. Answer. The process of removal of wastes produced in the cell of the animal is called excretion. Number 2. Tissues. Answer. A tissue is a group of cells that perform specialized functions in an organism. Question number 7. Answer the following question in short. State the components of blood and write the function of each of them. Answer. 1. Plasma. It transports nutrients, salts, gases, waste. Number 2. Red blood cells. It transports oxygen to all cells for body with the help of hemoglobin. Number 3. White blood cells. It fights against germ cells that may enter our body. Number 4. Platelets. It helps in blood clotting at a site of bleeding due to injury. Number 2. State the function of blood. Answer. 1. It transports nutrients, salts, respiratory gases, excretory waste, etc. Number 2. White blood cells present in blood fight against germ and protect the body against disease. 3. Bleeding stopped by the process of clotting and at the cut. 4. It helps to maintain body temperature. Number 3. State the types of blood vessels and explain the brief about each of them. Answer. Number 1. Arteries. They carry oxygen-rich blood from heart to all parts of the body. Exceptionally, pulmonary artery has carbon dioxide-rich blood since the blood flow is rapid and at a high pressure. The artery has thick elastic wall. 2. Vein. They carry carbon dioxide-rich blood from all parts of the body back to the heart. Expressionally, pulmonary vein has oxygen-rich blood. It has thin wall. There are valves present in it which allow blood to flow only toward the heart. Number 4. Why is transport of materials necessary in the plant or in an animal? Explain. Answer. All plant and animal need food, water and oxygen for survival. They need to transport all these to various parts of their body. Further, animal need to transport waste to part from where they can be removed. For the fulfill all these transport of materials necessary in a part or in an animal. Number 5. What are stomata? Give two functions of stomata. Stomata are tiny pores present on the surface of leaves of plant which are surrounded by guard cells. Function of stomata. Number 1. Removal of water in the form of vapor. Example, transpiration through stomata. Number 2. Exchange of gases occur through stomata during the process of photosynthesis and respiration in plant. Number 6. Does transpiration serve any useful function in plants? Explain. Answer. 1. The process of transpiration generates a suction pool which can pull water to great height in the tall trees. Thus, absorbed water and minerals by root reach the stem and leaves. 2. Transpiration produce cooling effect on the plants. Number 7. Why is it necessary to excrete waste product? Answer. Certain waste products are produced in body cells during functioning of cell. These harmful and toxic substances such as uric acid, ammonia are called excretory substance. If such substance accumulate in body, it would disturb the health, so it is necessary to excrete such waste products to maintain our health. Question number 8. Draw a diagram of the human excretory system and label the various parts. Right kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra, urinary opening, left kidney. Question number 8. Explain giving scientific reason. Number 1. When a cut gets on any part of the body, the blood coming out from it stops after some time. Answer. Whenever any body part is injured, the blood starts flowing. After some time, bleeding stops and a clot is formed because of presence of platelets in the body. Bleeding is stopped by platelets and the plug the cut. So if there are no platelets in the body, then continuous bleeding from cut and excessive loss of blood would prove total for individual life. Number 2. WBCS of the blood are our microscopic soldiers. Answer. 1. The WBCS of the blood perform the functioning of protecting our body against disease. 2. WBCS fight against the germ of various diseases which enter our body and destroy them. 3. Thereby maintain our health. 4. The WBCS act like soldiers as they are microscopic in size. They are called the microscopic soldier of our body. Question number 9. Write 2 points of difference. Red blood cells, RBCS. Number 1. Answer. They are of red color. Number 2. They possess hemoglobin. White blood cell, WBCS. Number 1. They are of white color. Number 2. They do not have any pigment. Second number. Artery. Number 1. Its wall is thick and elastic. Number 2. It does not have valves in it. Vein. Number 1. Its wall is relatively thin and less elastic. Number 2, it has semilunar valves are interval in it. Third, number 3, atria. First point, they are the upper two chamber of heart. Second point, atria are relatively thin walled and smaller in size than those of ventricles. Ventricle. First point, they are the lower two chambers of the heart. Second point, ventricles are relatively thick walled and larger in size than those of atria. Fourth number, xylem. First point, it transports water and dissolved minerals absorbed root. Second point, it transports in upward direction. Phloem. First point, it transports photosynthetic products produced in leaves. Second point, it transports in both upward and downward direction. Question number 10. Match the following properly. Number 1, stomata. Answer is B, transpiration. Number 2, xylem. Answer is D, transport of water. Number 3, root hairs. Answer is A, absorption of water. Number 4, phloem. Answer is C, transport of food. Thank you. Chapter is over.